That's not necessarily a crash. That is a depth tabs issue right there. I'm still playing around with getting the depth of the cut correct. And the tabs. And clearly there's still work to be done in that area. Yep. Still work to be done in the depth tabs area. Whenever you're cutting something out, you have to tell it to leave little tabs, little areas where it's leaving material on there to keep it held in place. Otherwise, what you just saw happens. And this was leaving tabs when I ran it through a minute ago, but I ran it back through because it didn't complete the cut. I didn't set it deep enough. And I don't know what happened. I think I set it too deep and it cut loose all the tabs. And well, there you go. It just started to fly out of there. So living and learning.